What's up, guys? Check out what just arrived in the mail today. I'm hoping to use this truck as the ultimate camper, and I got an air mattress today that's built for trucks and truck beds. So you can see here it has this outline or cutout for the wheel wells. Let's see how it goes. This one is for long beds, for 8-foot long beds. I'm gonna see how that would work for mine, since I can extend all the way into the cab. Got some instructions. All right, a bag. That's good. So pump probably, and a patch kit. So it's gonna look something like that. Those look happy. All right. Let's start by making the bed ready. So we gotta open this. I don't know if I'll be able to use the bed when I have the cover on. Later on, I'm getting a tent, and I'm gonna see how that works out. So we gotta lower those bed headrests. Move that out of the way. I'm gonna leave the glass in play today. You can remove the glass as well, but yeah, I don't need that for this test. Let's go. Oh, here we go. And press that button. Pull here. And we'll do the same on the other side. There we go. All right, bed is ready. So now that we have it open all the way, let's see what's in the bag. I'm gonna be a rebel and try to do this without the instructions. How hard can it be? Okay, it runs on probably D batteries, I'm guessing. Let's find out. Maybe that's what's in here. No, okay, so it's just one big battery. All right, we'll pop that in. It is plus. That goes there. Turn that off for now. Okay, looks like it charges via USB-C. That is good, nice and modern. We'll put this to the side so we don't start out by puncturing. All right, get rid of the bag. Okay, then unfold. It's a long boy. Unfold all the way, come on. And oh, come on. All right, let me go grab from the other side. All right, let's see if we can get it here. And maybe line up the wheel wells. Oh, I see a problem here. Okay, let's go outside and start inflating. Wheel wells are right there. It could be that I have to flip it around, but we will find out once this says inflated for a bit. Let me lock that. Lock it. There we go. All right, I'll go back here in a little bit once it's inflated. I got to about this much inflation before the pump stopped, so I have to charge it and then try it again. So let's see how we do this. All right, so USB-C on one side, the old style USB on the other one, which I don't think this truck has any of. So we'll take it inside. I do have an adapter somewhere, but I don't remember where it is. There we go, plug it in, and it is charging. I have a new plan. I'm not a huge fan of waiting, so got a shop vac, connected it to the blower, plugged it into the bed. The bed is not going to work. I don't even think if you press a button. No, it's not going to work until you either turn the truck on or you set it in this extended battery mode. Let's see what it is called. So right now it should be working, but if you want to turn the truck off, you go here, power base, 2 hours good, use power base. All right, now it should be good. You can see there is a green light over there. We get, okay, that's not too dirty. Let's slide it in place. All right, so let's see what it looks like. Obviously one issue is that it covers up the power outlets a little bit, so you gotta be careful there. I do have 4 more, so we'll be good. Getting close, let's see. Let's push that over. And we're good. Now let's check the inside. We'll close up the door because it keeps dinging. Okay. Alright, so there's no way I can sneak under there. So I will have to take the glass out as well. Okay, let's give that a go and see how it goes. There, all right. Put these back up again. Then from here, click, click, undo, snap it through, put it in, make sure it's pretty even right to left, and now lock it. You can also extra lock it here. And then when you press the button, both sides will go down at once. You just have to grab it. Oh, the other side got caught on the seat belt. Oh, I see. Okay. That is my cover. Let's see how this goes now. We'll plug that in again. It might be that this bed is not super compatible with having the hard cover on. Then again, I was planning on taking that off to install this truck tent. So we will see. All right, here we go. Let's inflate it again. And plug it in. Green light's on. We have power. Unplug. That closes up nicely. Okay, yeah, so even with the top, I guess I could sneak in here. Maybe not, maybe yes. So yeah, just about I can sleep here. Let's see. It can't be done. Turn this around. So lay here. Let's close up the back and see what it looks like. Bed installed, cover on, almost no space there, but plenty here. So total from tailgate down to the back of this is 10 foot 10 inches. So this one that's just over 8 feet has no problem with the tailgate up. And you can sneak into here if you're skinny enough, but probably better without this hard cover on, and in combination with that truck tent that I'll be doing a review on here in just a couple of days. So yeah, if you want to do some stealth-like sleeping and you are skinny, let's see what we got here. Fully inflated, we're looking at about 9 inches to this metal bar, but that's back there. 9 inches or about 23 centimeters. Then you can do it. Let me go ahead and put my glass over here and then show you what it looks like. There it is. All right. Good night.